Hey guys, check out this smart lock I have here. It's a doorknob smart lock. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Cool door handle here. It's got the combo pad right there up top here for the key and Type-C connector, USB. There's the other side there. And then you got this mechanism here. And of course, this is going to go through there. These pins, these are the alignment pins and the fastening screws that go down in there too. Keys, and they give you a little screwdriver with it as well. And this is for your door there. Okay, this thing you can open it with the fingerprint right there, password, key, or Bluetooth. And I went ahead and downloaded the Smart Life app. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these right there. Okay, there's a little trick here, and you gotta bend this over. Directions say to make it parallel to that, so that's what we want right there. If you try to fit it in that way, it won't fit. You got to come in this way and run that all the way up through there. Now you can pull that through so it doesn't come out, straighten it back out. Okay, after we got this step done, now we're going to take this side and come around here. See that little button right there? Take the screwdriver, just pop that in there. This is where the batteries go. So we're going to go ahead and pull these out of there, and that's where the other side's going to connect to too. Let's pull that out, and that out. It's going to be for our battery installation. Now in the top here, right down here, we're going to install these screws. So that's just going to go all the way down. It's going to go all the way down through that hole. So it's just giving you more access. So same thing here, same thing. We're going to go ahead and take this and feed it right through there. There, we got that on that side of the door. Coming around here, here's what it looks like right there. Now we have these two ends there, and we'll go ahead and connect those wires. Got those screws all tightened down. Here's a little check. Check for smoothness. Looking good? Yeah. Okay, we got the batteries in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. There we go. You know you got the batteries in right when this thing lights up.
Unlocked.
It'll give you a verbal there too.
Locked.
Right. It is all installed now. Nice and smooth. Got the Smart Life app open here. I'm gonna go ahead and push the plus button right there and add device. There it is right there. Boom. And it's being added. And now I click done, and I arrived at this screen, and it tells you it's at 100%. And you can see you can do all the codes and right here too. Okay, this is pretty cool because you can just unlock it from right here. Watch this.
Unlocked. Locked.
Just locked itself. Okay, so now we can go ahead and set our code, temporary code, and you can also set the language on the app as well. Okay, for the very initial state of this thing, I'm going to go ahead and hold that button down right there for 6 seconds to restore the factory settings. So now we're going to go ahead and do the password print or thumbprint here.
Please input again. 1, 0, 0. Successful.
Okay, I got the fingerprint all set up and the code all set up. Now we're good to go.